Hello students, this is Sindhu David, your computer teacher. Welcome you all to the computer online class. In my previous video, you have learned the different kinds of keys and the keyboarding skills. In this video, I will explain Unit 2 Data Entry and Keyboarding Skills Part 2. So let's get started. Let us first learn about typing ergonomics. Typing ergonomics provides the logistic support for efficient and effective typewriting. They are important to attain and maintain accuracy and speed. Some of these factors included are as given as below. First is sitting posture. While operating the computer keyboard, sit straight, slightly bending your neck forward. You can see in this picture the sitting posture while working on computer. Elbows should be slightly higher than wrist when operating keys or mouse. The back support should be at an angle of 90 degree to 100 degree and supporting the lumbar curve. Hips should be slightly higher than knees. There should be approximately 2-3 finger width clearance between the front edge of the seat and the back of knees. Feet should be supported on the floor or by footrest. The desk should be approx 680 to 720 mm high. Next is position of hands. You can see in the picture the right position and the wrong one. Put your forearms at level with the keyboard and palms down. Keep your wrist straight and hang your elbows naturally. Monitor placement. The distance of screen from the user depends on the size of the screen. Keep an approximate distance of about 60 to 65 cm for 17 inches screen. Mouse and keyboard placement. Keep the keyboard and mouse together at an approximate distance of 20 cm, which will help in smooth and effortless operation of keyboard. Chair and table placement. Adjust computer chair and table to an optimal height. The chair of the computer user must be supportive to his or her lower back. Keyboard and vibrating devices such as printers should be on separate tables. Placement of matter to be typed. Place the matter for typing to the left or right side of the keyboard, preferably on a copy holder which has a sloping surface. Positioning of fingers on the keyboard. As typing is equivalent to pen or pencil nowadays, mastery of computer keyboard has become obvious. Mastery typewriting skills means to attain necessary knowledge and skill of keyboard operation by correct positioning of fingers. In the home row approach, also called horizontal approach, all the 8 fingers of both the hands rest on home keys during the keyboard operations, as you can see in the picture given here. The fingers are trained to make the correct movement to the other keys in such a way that each finger returns immediately to its home key after it has pressed the corresponding key in any other row. The thumb of the right hand is used to operate the space bar. About the home keys you have learnt in my previous video. Now we will see the allocation of keys to fingers. The keyboard learning process starts from the second row, which is also known as home row, followed by the third row means upper row, first row means bottom row, and the fourth row means number row. The fingers of both the hands have to operate the keys allotted to them on each row. It must be remembered that each finger has to operate only the key allotted to it. Allocation of keys to fingers on the second row, home row. As you can see in the picture, The positioning of fingers on the home row. Place 4 fingers of each hand on home keys. The remaining 2 keys G and H on the second row are operated by the 4 fingers, means index finger of left and right hand respectively. Allocation of keys to finger on the third row, means upper row. The next step is learning the key reaches from the home row to the row above it. The learning begins with the reaches from A to Q by left hand little finger and from semicolon to P by right hand little finger. This is followed by the placement of the third finger, ring finger, to the adjoining keys W and O and so on, as you can see in the picture given here. You should ensure that one finger should move at a time, while other fingers should remain on the home row. Allocation of keys to finger on the first row, means bottom row. After learning how to operate keys on a home row and third row, the next step is to learn how to operate keys on the first rows. Keys Z, X, C, V, B, N, M, comma, full stop and slash sign are located on this row. Allocation of keys to finger on the fourth row, means number row. In this row, type 1, 2, 3 with little ring and middle fingers of the left hand respectively, and 4 and 5 with the index finger. Similarly, type 0, 9, 8 with little ring and middle fingers of right hand respectively, 7 and 6 with index finger. Using numeric keypad. Efficient and effective use of numeric keypad is important in numeric data entry. The numeric keypad has 4 columns and 5 rows. The row which has 4, 5, 6 and plus is called home row. This is the row which is initially practiced by a touch typist. On a numeric keypad, the number 5 is the guide key. It has a small raised tangible mark which serves as a guide for the touch typist in the placement of fingers on other keys. Allocation of rest of the keys on numeric keypad. 0 is to be pressed by the right hand thumb. One can also make use of calculator keyboard for numeric keypad practice. Let's see some of the tips for successful keyboarding. Press the key with feather touch and do not put undue pressure. Rest your fingers on home row while typing. Allow your fingers to fall naturally on the keys so that each rests on top of the next key along the same horizontal row. While typing, release the key immediately as soon as you press it. Holding the key for a long time will repeatedly type the same character. Do not look at the keyboard while practicing. Press the key with equal intervals of time in rhythm. Press the keys only with the fingers allotted for them. While pressing a key, say slowly. Pronounce the character on the key. Do not take any mental stress while typing. Secure typing ergonomics. Maintain patience if committed mistake at initial stage. Maintain a balance between speed and accuracy, as both are equally important. Do not sacrifice accuracy for speed. To gain mastery of computer keyboard, undertake repeated practice of typewriting words, sentences, passages and figures without looking at the keyboard. There are many software available which are free of cost and are customized to learn typing efficiently and effectively. Rapid Typing Tutor is a free and open source software designed to learn typing skills on the computer. It is free to use and share with others for free, but only by using the original distribution package. Learning to type is fun with the typing game included with Rapid Typing Tutor. An average professional typist types usually in speed of 50 to 80 words per minute, while some positions can require 80 to 95, and some advanced typists work at speed above 120 words per minute. As of 2005, writer Barbara Blackburn was the fastest alphanumerical English language typist in the world, according to the Guinness Book of World Records. Her top speed was 212 words per minute. That's all for today's video. Students, with consistent, sincere efforts and controlled environment, you can master keyboarding skills and acquire high speed.